Catboy drives at amazing speed along the Zoomzania racetrack.
Come on, Connor, you can do it. All part of our training. I can't wait to get swooping. Now be ready with the Gecko-mobile water cannon. But for now, how about just, water? Rehydrate, team.
Catboy focuses all his senses on the racetrack, where we suddenly see Lionel? Phew. Sorry, Greg. He ran ahead.
Having fun hanging out with him?
Yeah, and Owlie and Cat too. If I study the little guys, maybe I could figure out the PJ Riders.
How come you're so into animals now? I thought intergalactic asteroids were more your thing.
A good scientist always looks for new fields of research. That means new things to study.